Dear friends, we are learning homeopathy for small complaints. For small complaints, we need not run to the doctor or nursing home or even to a homeopathy doctor. Initially, you can successfully take medicines for small complaints that comes instantly. They are not long-standing complaints. Long-standing complaints means you should consult a good homeopathy experienced doctor. Don't go to a doctor who is no time to talk to you. There will be a big queue in his hospital. He will not spare even 10 seconds to you. Likewise, don't go to corporate hospitals. Now, corporate hospitals in homeopathy have come in every town of India. If you approach them, they will loot your pocket. They will charge you thousands of rupees. They will collect the money before giving treatment. This is a wrong method. A doctor should give you bill after completion of the treatment, but they will take the medicine before the treatment. Before the treatment commences. There, the doctors are inexperienced doctors fresh from homeopathy medical colleges. So they will spoil your health by taking huge amounts. They are given targets by their corporate hospital heads. So we cannot blame them. They will ask you 25,000 rupees for small complaint to cure, but they will not cure you even for 25,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees they will charge you. It has become costlier than allopathy treatment. But if you learn on your own, you will be the doctor for yourself. You can cure yourself. You can cure your family members. You can give medicines to your neighbors. Very easily, very comfortably, they will praise you when they get cured within short period. In emergency cases, almost all homeopathy works wonderfully, excellent. It works very wonderfully within a short period. But people will go to homeopathy for chronic cases more than a year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. Then they will blame the homeopathy. Homeopathy is not a long-acting medicine. It works very fast in cases of short period. So, today we will talk about bladder complaints, urinary bladder complaints. Many people, they experience short duration complaints about urinary problems. What are those problems? What medicines we can take? Number 1, hot urine. Urine, what they pass, it is hot, very hot, painful. And because of retention of urine, they get a burning pain while passing urine. While concluding their last drops of urine, they get burning pain. For such people, when there is burning pain, Cantharis is the best medicine. Take Cantharis 30, 3 doses in a day for 3 days. 3 doses in a day for 3 days. What is a dose? If you are taking in pills shape, 5 pills is 1 dose. If you are taking liquid directly on tongue, 3 to 4 drops is 1 dose. This is regarding the dosage. Now, if somebody is getting frequent urging for urination, they want to go to urine for every 5 to 10 minutes. Even they don't get urine, they go to bathroom and they have to strain a lot for passing of few drops of urine. For such people, Apis mellifica 30 is the homeopathy medicine, works wonderfully. Apis mellifica. Frequent urging, frequent urination is the main symptom here. And for people who are passing urine with brick dust sediment, they pass on some sediment. Sediment means small particles of red color like brick. Brick color is red. Brick color. Sediment means small particles. They pass the small red particles which looks like a brick. For such people, Lycopodium 30 is the best medicine. Lycopodium 30, 3 doses in a day for 3 days. And for some people, they find blood in the urine. Blood in the urine means you should think of one good medicine that is called terbenthina. All these medicines I will show in photos in the video. You can very easily identify those medicines. Terbenthina 30. Terbenthina 30, 3 doses a day for 3 days will definitely help you not to pass any blood from urine. Whatever the disease name they give, don't worry about the disease name. Simply follow these symptoms. These symptoms are very easy to find out by yourself. You can take medicine on your own. And next medicine, if somebody is passing urine involuntarily, without their knowledge, they pass urine. They don't have control over the bladder. Such people, they should take mostly children and above 40 age women, they will pass like that. When coughing, they take cough. When they cough, they pass some urine in their clothes. For such people, causticum 30. Causticum, Causticum. Causticum 30 is the best medicine. And for some people, some drops will always be leaking from urinary bladder, urinary organs. That is, some wet, their clothes will become wet after some time because of passing of drop by drop urine in their clothes. For such people, Ferrum Fast 30 is the best medicine. Give this medicine in 3 doses per day for 3 days. This is the treatment for bladder complaints. You can be a doctor for yourself. Learn this kind of very simple lessons I am telling you and give the medicines. Start giving medicines to your neighbors, to your relatives, to your family members. Homeopathy is the cheapest medicine in entire medical system. This is the cheapest medicine. For 20 rupees you can give treatment for so many people. 20 rupees you will get one bottle full of pills. With that pills you can treat so many people. So like that you try to treat the people for small complaints. Don't rush to doctor. If the disease is such a problem you cannot understand what is the condition, then you go to first to a homeopathy doctor who is experienced man. He can definitely give you good medicine. But don't go to a business doctor, and don't go to corporate hospitals. This is my special advice to you. start taking homeopathy medicines. You will be fine within no time. They work very fast in emergency cases. Thank you, one and all.